Hey y'all, Victoria Cherie here with Pretty Party and Crafty. Want to know how to use our Photoshop mockups for your party favors? Keep on watching. All right, let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we want to do is go to our files and we want to open the mockup and template. I like to do this at the same time, so I select them, right click and hit open. You can also go to file, open within Photoshop. Okay, they'll have their own separate tabs. So you have your mockup tab and your template tab. With the template tab open, go ahead and start designing. So bring in your clip art, change the backgrounds, all that jazz. Once you're finished designing, we want to make sure we go to File, Save As, and give it a name. I usually use the date and my customer's name. After you save it, go to the top menu, click on Layers, and click Flatten Image, and it's going to flatten your image into one layer. Go to the Mockup tab, and then we're going to work on the mockup. Look at the Layers panel where it says Your Design here. Double-click that Smart. All right, after you've double-clicked on the Smart Object icon, it's going to have a pop-up tab. This is where we want to bring in our design. So we're going to go back to the Template tab. We're going to select the Selection tool, and we're going to click, hold, and drag the design to our Rectangle tab. Okay, just drop it in the center and make sure you have it centered and aligned. You can click and drag to align it, but it's easier if you go to the top menu bar, select the three dots, click Align to Canvas, and center it vertically and horizontally. Once you do that, we want to X out of this tab. So just click the X button for the tab. And once you click the X button, you're going to get a pop-up warning. It's going to ask you, do you want to save changes? Yes. Click yes. Once you click yes in the background, it's going to make changes to your mockup, and it's going to close this tab out and take you back to the template. Once you get back to the template, what you want to do is go to Edit, Undo, Flatten, because we want to make sure that we could still edit this design if changes are needed later. All right, once you do that, let's go ahead and head to the Mockup tab, and there you have it. From this point, you could go File, Export, Save as PNG to use for marketing. So hopefully this tutorial was helpful. If you like it, make sure you like and follow for more.